A researcher secured a camera to the back of a large brown cicada nymph. The cicada nymph was plump, reddish-brown and segmented. The scene was daytime in a shaded forest. It descended into a narrow underground tunnel. Loose soil particles shifted and fell around the nymph. At deeper tunnel, the ground appeared darker and more compact. Small glistening moisture beads were visible. The nymph nudged through sticky mud-like earth, climbing into small hollow chamber where tiny soil organisms scattered away from the light. As it ascended, the tunnel was partially blocked by a dense root barrier. It reached a large cavity filled with decaying organic matter. The soil became looser and lighter in color, indicating proximity to the surface. Thin root hairs and air gaps appeared more frequently. Finally, the cicada nymph broke through to the surface.